Hi, I'm Uriar, and this is a quick fix for the IDF Terminal installation inside Visual Studio Code. This fix is due to a new version of VS Code released recently that changed the way that you configure the terminal application. Before, it was configured using the workspace settings, and now it is in a different file. If we take a look in our previous workspace file, VS Code is no longer accepting these parameters here, so let's remove them. Now, let's press F1 and type settings.json and open the first option, Preferences, Open Settings.json. Let's add two new parameters to this JSON file. Type terminal.integrated.defaultprofile.windows and press the tab key. And then terminal.integrated.profile.windows and press the tab key again. Nice! So here inside args is where our new IDF terminal configuration will go. Let's add /k and then your IDF initialization bat file path. This will be different depending on where you installed your IDF. In my case, it is c/esp/.expressive/idf/cmd/init.bat. Now, if your IDF version is 4.3 or above, you need to add an extra tag when executing this file. To find this tag, let's open the properties of the ESP IDF terminal shortcut, which should be in your desktop after install the IDF. And here will be your tag in the target field. Let's copy and paste it after the IDF cmd init bat. Let's save the file and run a new terminal to verify it's working. This should be enough to get it working again. If they change something and the problem happens again, I will make sure to make a new video explaining how to fix it. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.